So, okay, Getty, I'm coming to you with another requested recipe in my Jamaican kitchen. Now, you have requested that you wanted me to make salmon. More salmon, the more the better. So yeah, I'm coming to you with this one. This is lemon buttery glazed salmon. So good, guys, so good and fast and easy to make. Now, if you are new to my channel and watching me cooking this salmon recipe for the very first time, be sure to subscribe, y'all. Turn on your post notification settings so you will always be reminded whenever your girl upload a brand new video. Now, if you want to see me cooking this salmon in my Jamaican kitchen, fast, easy and simple, well, come on, let's get started.
You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari, why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days and when him feed you. You know when no obligation but to owe him some respect. All you need to do is just give him one to get turn your back on your brother when him need you.
Here we go, goody. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Now let's jump right into the recipe and all the things that you're going to need to make the best salmon in your kitchen. Nothing but fast, nothing but easy, and nothing but simple, right? Now I have my salmon there that has been nicely washed. That has been nicely washed with lemon juice, salt, and vinegar. As usual, you soak it into the liquid for 30 minutes, then you wash it off and your salmon nice and clean. Make sure so when you're cooking any kind of meat, you wash it nice and clean. Now, what I did with it was cut it into 2 equal parts right there. Based on the salmon that you decide to use, you might not have to go through all of that, but yeah, that's what I bought in the fish market. In addition to that, I'm going to add some fresh parsley, my scotch bonnet pepper, of course, some rosemary right there. Also, in addition to that, I'm going to add salt and black pepper, fish seasoning, lots and lots of garlic, honey, of course, lemon, of course, and butter, of course. That is what we are going to be using for the recipe. Let's get started. Now, to get started, the first thing you want to do is add your salt and black pepper onto your fish. Then you kick it up a notch with some fish seasoning. Any kind of fish seasoning of your choice. If you don't have that, use all-purpose seasoning. Perfect, right? Now goody, make us start cooking. Like, cook me a cook, but I joke, right? I have my pot there, and all I'm going to do is add just a little bit of extra virgin olive oil to it. Then I'm going to add some butter to it as well. After my butter has melted, I go ahead and add my garlic in. Then I add my lemon juice to it and my honey. Of course, I'm going to add some vinegar because I never cook it out my vinegar. I'm going to add my pepper in and my rosemary. Just take the leaves off the stem. And y'all, the stem from your rosemary have a whole leaf of flavor to your meat. Like this right here, tons of flavor. I never throw this out. I always use it for different recipes, like when I'm seasoning beef and all that stuff. Use your rosemary for that. That looks really, really good, and it's smelling just as good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put my fish in. Give this about another 5 minutes on stovetop. Then we're going to go ahead and pop it into the oven. Into the oven it goes at 375 degrees. And this is going to take about 15 minutes to finish up, right? So fish don't take long to cook. You don't want to overcook your salmon. So we're going to go ahead and pop these in the oven. And when I come back, this is going to be done. My salmon is out the oven and it's all done. It's time to garnish that thing and then we're done. And there you have it, guys. There you have it, all done in my kitchen. And all it took was 30 minutes total. So tasty with that lemon, oh, that butter all over that fish. I'm telling you guys, you're gonna love this one. You are going to fall in love with this salmon recipe down to the very last bite. Thumbs up, share my recipe with your friends, your family, your neighbor, anybody you want to share it, right? Tell me what you'd like to see me cooking next in my kitchen. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm gonna let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.